Hello students, today in this lecture we will discuss about the various other operators. The various other operators are in operator, not in operator, between operator, exist, and last, which is of pattern matching, like operator. Let us discuss these operators in detail. So in the first column we have operators, and in the next column we have the description about the particular operator. So first we will discuss about the in operator. This operator is equivalent to any member of test. Next we have not in operator. The not in operator evaluates to false if any member of the set is null. Next we have between operator. The between operator allows the selection of rows that contains values within a specified lower and upper limit. The next operator is exist. It returns true if a subquery returns at least one row. The next is like. The like operator returns true if X does match the pattern Y. Let us discuss how we can write a query using these operators. So we will discuss the first operator, that is in. The in predicate is used when a value needs to be compared to a list of values. For example, if you want to retrieve all the details of the employees whose name in Karan, Rohan and Ajay, so we will write a query like select star from the table name. Suppose the table name is employees, where name in Karan, Rohan, Ajay. Let us execute this query with the help of a software. So we'll write the same query here. Select star from employees where name in Karan, Rohan. Here you can see that we have retrieved the records of all the employees whose names are in Karan, Rohan and Ajay. The in predicate helps us to reduce the need to use multiple OR condition. Let us discuss the next operator, that is not in operator. The not in predicate is the opposite of in predicate. This will select all the rows where values do not match the values in the list. Suppose the question is you want to retrieve the details of all the employees other than Karan and Rohan, then we will write a query like select star from employees where name not in Karan, comma Rohan. Let us execute this query and find the result. So here we get the names of all the employees, or you can say the details of all the employees whose names are not Karan and Rohan. Let us discuss the next operator, that is between. The between operator allows the selection of rows that contain values within a specified lower and upper limit. The two values between the range must be linked with the keyword and. Next, the between operator can be used with both character and numeric data type. Now the question arises, if we want to retrieve names and job details of all the employees whose salary is in between 3,000 and 5,000. So we will write a query like select name, comma job from employees where sal between 3,000 and 5,000. Let us execute this query. As you can see the table, we have retrieved the records of the column name and job, and the person's name Karan and Ajay are the persons whose salary is between 3,000 and 5,000. Let us discuss the next operator. The next operator is exist. This operator is used with correlated subqueries. This operator enables to test whether a value retrieved by the outer query exists in the result set of the values retrieved by the inner query. If the subquery returns at least one row, the operator returns true, and if the value does not exist, it returns false. The exist operator ensures that search in the inner query terminates when at least one match is found. Similarly, there is a not exist operator, and this not exist operators enables you to test whether a value retrieved by the outer query is not a part of the result set of values retrieved by the inner query. The next other operator is like predicate, and this is in pattern matching. So we will use the like predicate. The like predicate allows comparison of one string value with another string value which is not identical. This is achieved by using wild characters, and we have two wild characters. First one is percentage, which allows you to match any string of any length, and it also includes zero length string. Next is underscore. It allows you to match on a single character. Suppose you want to list the customers whose name begin with letter CH. So we will write a query like select star from table name. Suppose the table name is customers, where name like CH%. This example will retrieve all the records where the value held in the field name begins with CH are displayed. The percentage indicates that any number of characters can follow the letters CH. Similarly, if we have a question to list the customers whose name have the second character as A or S, then we will write a query like select star from table name customers, where name like underscore A% or name like underscore S%. So this example will retrieve the records where the value held in the field name contains the second character as A or S. The underscore A and the underscore S indicates that only one character can precede the character A or S, and the percentage indicates that any number of characters can follow the letter. Let us execute the queries using the like predicate. Select star from the table name employees, where name like percentage A%. Let us execute this query and find the result. So here we have retrieved the records of all the employees which contains A in their names. So here we have retrieved the records of all the employees whose names contains the character A in their names. So this is all about all other operators. Thank you.